Alright guys, we're going to learn the multiplying, okay? Holy moly, what just happened? Put that back. Alright, did y'all remember before you left today, we said we're going to use the FOIL method? Remember that was first, outer, inner, last, okay? Again, this is the algebraic proof to show how the FOIL method works. And I'm also going to show you the Punnett Square method, okay? Let's begin. So, let me get this out of my way. And I'm going to bring these down. Nope, never mind, they're all connected. Alright, so, FOIL method. First, outer, inner, last. First is going to be x squared, because x times x is x squared. Outer, x times 5 is 5x. Inner, 4 times x is 4x. And last, 4 times 5 is 20. Combine like terms, x squared plus 9x plus 20. You're done. Put a box around it. Boom. Try it again. Again, first, outer, inner, last. X squared, x times negative 3 is a negative 3x. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Combine like terms again. X squared plus 4 minus 3, that's like a 1, so x minus 12. Boom. Let me show you the Punnett squares. Again, you pick the one your favorite, okay? Pick your favorite. Punnett square, you're going to draw a box. Okay? Now this is a binomial and that's a binomial. So you're going to need 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay? So put this one on top, x minus 4. Notice the minus sign stuck with the 4. X 1. Again, that's a positive one. Now, just like Punnett squares in biology class, you're going to multiply this one with this one where they cross. So x times x gives us x squared. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. X times 1 is that 1x. I'll go ahead and put the 1 there. And then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Check this out. You add your diagonals, okay? So, right beneath it, we're going to go leading coefficient, x squared. Negative 4 plus 1, negative 3x. And bring down the negative 4. Again, it's in standard form. We'll try to make my box a little bigger for this next one. Again, x minus 3 on top, x minus 5 on the bottom here. X times x is x squared. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. X, negative 5, negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 3 is a positive 15. Again, add your like terms. So x squared minus 3, 5, that's negative 8x, plus 15. Put a box around it, boom. Again, you pick your favorite. Either you pick the FOIL method or the Punnett squares, okay? Let's look at another example. If you want, you can try these out. I'm going to go a little harder. 3, trinomial and a binomial. Again, you can sit there and try to do FOIL, but as you can tell, it's not enough letters for the FOIL method. So why don't we just stick with the Punnett square for this one? In this case, you're going to need 2 rows and 3 columns. Don't make fun of my rectangle. It's hard drawing a straight line this late at night. Alright, so I like putting the trinomial on top. So x squared minus 2x plus 9 and x minus 4. It normally doesn't matter which side you have these on, but it's nicer when you have the longer polynomial on top and the shorter one on the side. Anyway, let's get back to multiplying. X squared times x, that's going to be x cubic. Negative 2x and x, that's negative 2x squared. X times 9 is a positive 9x. Second row, x squared times negative 4 is a negative 4x squared. Negative 2x, negative 4, that's positive 8x. Okay, two negatives make a positive. Don't forget the x. And then 9 times negative 4 is a negative 36. Again, notice your diagonals are like terms. So go ahead and take care of that. Okay? So, final answer. X cubic, negative 2, negative 4, that's negative 6x squared. 8 and 9, that's a positive 17x minus 36. Boom. And again, you can stack this however you want. Like I said, you can go along the top. Try to do this one a little quicker so we can keep our video down to 10 minutes. Again, I like putting it on top. X squared minus 2x minus 1. 2x minus, whoopsie daisy. 2x minus 5. And again, you're multiplying. So 2, there's no coefficient on here, so 2x times x squared times x is x cubic. Negative 2x times the 2x is going to be negative 4x squared. Negative 1, 2x, that's negative 2x. X squared, negative 5x squared. Negative 2x, negative 5, that's a positive 10x. And then negative 1, negative 5, that's going to be a positive 5. Again, like terms are already in the diagonals for you to add. So 2x cubic, negative negative, that's negative 9x squared. Nope, 10 minus 2, that'd be a positive 8x, and then plus 5. And another boom. Guys, I think that's all I'm going to do tonight. So we'll try to practice this stuff. Ooh, boy. We'll try to practice this stuff in the morning. I mean, yeah, the morning. All right. Good night.